Hello everyone. In this session, we are discussing about algorithms. So these algorithms are related to STL, that is Standard Template Library. Standard Template Library having three components: containers, iterators, and algorithms. So containers is our data structures that storing data. Iterators that are for iterating through the data, and algorithms that are for the manipulating that data. Algorithms in the STL are procedures that are applied to containers to process their data, that is manipulation of data. For example, search for an element in an array, or sort an array, or sort and list, or merge and list, or accumulate the element of the list. So first algorithm is for each algorithm. So it include vector because we are using vector here. Then needs to include algorithm file, then IO stream file, void show, cout, here. Integer array. So here is array of the four numbers. Vector int v array array plus 4. So initialize vector with that array for each v dot begin to v dot end show. So it iterate through all the elements and display all these element, because show is called here that while show it for the cout here. So first element is readed displayed, second readed up to v dot end all element is displayed with the help of for each algorithm. Next algorithm is find algorithm. If we want to find element in a list or element in an array, then we require some logic, but here we can use directly find algorithm. So again, integer array, here is array of 7 elements. So vector is created of 7 elements. Now vector having these 7 elements, iterator iter it for iterating through that vector. So cout enter value key value. If I am enter the 17 value, then that algorithm searches 17 in this vector. Okay. So C in key iter is equals to find, algorithm is applied here, find from v begin to v end for the key. So it will be iterating through that vector from start to end for finding the key. If that key matches or key find, that is 17. If iter is not equals to v dot end and element is found, then display cout element key found, else element key not in a vector v. So 17 is in a vector, then element found, that is key found, will be displayed. Next algorithm is sort and merge algorithm. Sort and merge allow you to sort and merge elements in a container. Include list. So we are creating two lists here, list L1, list L2 with the help of these two arrays. Then L1 dot sort, it is sort default in a ascending order. L2 dot sort, it is sort default in a ascending order. So two lists are sorted. First creating 1 4 6 7 9, second 1 2 3 4 8 from this array, then L1 dot merge L2. Then these sorted list are merged with the help of merge algorithm. So simply with the help of sort keyword, we are using the sort algorithm, and merge keyword and brackets, we are using the merge algorithm. Next, about the functions object. So whenever in a algorithm we are passing some function arguments in that functions, like that in a merge we are passing these object L2. So these are called functions objects. Some algorithms like sort, merge, accumulate can take a function objects as arguments. A function object is an object of a template class that has a single member function, the overloaded operator. Okay, so include list, include functional. So L1 dot sort, basically it will be sorted in ascending order, but we are using the greater keyword, so it will be sorted in a descending order. So list L1 having 6 4 9 1 7 element, this will be sorted in a descending order. So sorting is a 9 7 6 4 1. Next thing is accumulate algorithm. So the accumulate algorithm accumulates data over the elements of containing, for example, computing the sum of element. So if we are calculating sum and using accumulate algorithm, so it is just iterating through that to that, that is v1 dot end or l1 dot begin to l1 dot end, and calculating sum for this given function. So integer sum is equals to accumulate l1 dot begin to l1 dot end. So we have discussed the four algorithms. These are for each algorithm find algorithm, sort and merge algorithm, and accumulate algorithm. Okay, so let's check the execution of one of these algorithms. Okay, so this is the accumulate algorithm, accumulating over the start to end. Okay, so list functional required because we are passing that functional object, numeric required, iostream required. So here is one array 64917. So list is created L1. Now L1 having these five elements, that is 64917. So calculating the sum with the help of accumulate passing the function objects L1 dot begin comma L1 dot end comma 0. So initially sum is 0, L1 dot begin is added, then L1 dot begin plus 1 is added up to L1 1 added in this thing, and then see out sum. Let's check the calculation. So sum of these numbers produce 27, 6 plus 4 plus 9 plus 1 plus 7 is equals to 27. Let's check our result is correct or incorrect. Okay, so 27 is produced with the help of accumulate. We are checking for the another algorithm, that is sort merge algorithm. So here two lists to arrays, with the help of that two arrays two lists are created, list L2 and list L1, then L1 dot sort. So first list is sorted with the help of sort. With the help of iterator, we are iterating through that L1 list and checking that list is actually sorted or not. Then L2 sorted, but L2 sorted in a reverse order. That's why here greater keyword is used. So default L1 is sorted in a ascending order and L2 is sorted in a descending order because greater keyword is used here. Okay, again this list is displayed with the help of iterator, then L1 dot merge L2. Then these two lists are merged with the help of merging algorithm, and these lists are displayed with the help of iterators. Okay, so there are two lists. We are sorting in the reverse order and then checking for the merging that list. Let's check the execution. So first list is 3, 8, 9, 12, 17, 34, 56. So second list, what happens? 58, 34, 19, 13, 9, 8, 3. So after that, these two lists are merged. So 3, 8, 9, 12, 17, 34, 56, and 58, 34, 19, 13, 9, 8, 3. List is as in ascending order, this list in descending order, and then both lists are merged. Thank you all of you.